Hi, I'm Courtney and I'm a support worker. My day-to-day role is helping people get out of bed, supporting them with personal care, meal preparations, medication. What inspired me to do this role is because growing up, I've always wanted to help people. I think I'm just got like the nurturing type. I like to help people to things they can't do themselves. I help support my great-nan and bamp. I have siblings as well. She's got learning difficulties and autism, so I help look after them as well. It's just something I always wanted to do. The best part of my job is meeting all different kinds of people, getting to know them and about their stories.
Courtney makes a lot of difference in my life because I can't walk, and if I need anything, she's here. When she comes here, she does it for me. And when she's here, she does whatever she can for me. She always got a smile on her face.
You have different people every day with different needs, and you learn something new every day. The colleagues that I work with are fantastic. They're always supportive and helpful. My colleagues that I work with go above and beyond to help people. Nothing's too small and nothing's too big to complete. I'm currently working towards my NVQ3. If I want to progress further, that it's there for me to do that. So I'm doing it through the council, and they're also supportive of that as well. If you're ever stuck or I have a problem, I ring straight away or I can go there, and there's somebody always on the end of the phone. My manager's really supportive of me as well. She's been like my second mother, really. I used to be quiet, and now I've come out to my shell a lot. And that's due to the office staff, management and my colleagues as well, and the individuals I'm supporting. It's a really friendly family environment. I would really recommend this role because the staff, the individuals and the management are really supportive, and don't be afraid to try something new. There's always help. For me, the best part of this role is making a difference to someone's life and helping them live their life to the fullest.
She makes a lot of difference to my life. I can't say no more than that, but she's very, very helpful, and always have been since she's been coming here.